guys, welcome back to our channel. If it is your first time here, thank you for clicking on this video. If you are returning, it's been a while. It's been a while, but we still here. Today, we are actually doing our final walkthrough at our old apartment. If you didn't know, we did purchase a home back in April. If you guys want to see the first part and the second part about that experience, be sure to check out the description below and check up on that. But we are officially moved in to the new house, and today we are doing a final walkthrough with our realtor or our landlord, whatever, for the apartment. So I'm just gonna go do a final walkthrough, give you guys a house, an apartment tour before we get out of here for good. So, all right, so you come in. The front door is behind me as you come in. Okay, so this area right here was, we had a little couch here, and we had a dining room table here. So this was the dining room area. Coming over here, this was the living room area. This was the double doors. This is a den, it doesn't have a closet, but this was the bedroom that our kids stayed in with their grandmother, which is his mom. This was the kitchen that we had. As you can see, appliances were not up to date. We have been here for 4 years, but these are the appliances that we had when we moved in. Mismatch cabinetry, our sink that we had, the countertops, I don't even know what this is called, a very basic stove. This burner never worked. The other three did work. So 4 years we own. Now I'm having all the burners. Our fridge, this is the fridge that we moved in with. It's still working. It's broken, but this fridge definitely needs to go because, yeah, it's old. Right here was a very, very large walk-in pantry. This was a good part of the house. Very large walk-in pantry. I can go in there and turn around. Turn that off. Coming out the kitchen. Oh, by the way, we never used that dishwasher ever. It was just decoration. Coming out the kitchen, this is the hallway. There's a closet in the hallway, which acted as a closet for the den that didn't have a closet. Haha. Here is the air conditioning panel. This was like this from like 3 years ago. It's just, this is how we work with it for 3 years. Yes, we did break it, not on purpose, but the cover fell off, and the cover fell off, but we bought a thermostat to replace it. Digital. Upgraded one. But the way this is installed, it wasn't as easy of a switch as we thought, so we just left it. So we're leaving the thermostat, the new one, for them to install. You're welcome. Start off with the up-to-date stuff, thanks to us. Right here is the air conditioning unit. I'm not gonna open that because that air conditioner was a mess. To the left was my parents' bedroom. They had this room, and then they had a walk-in closet right here. This door never was on the track. 4 years, the closet door was never on the track, and they never put it on, we never put it on. So we left it where we found it. Here's the washroom. Washroom or whatever you want to call it. Wash and dryer. I think the dryer was changed once in the 4 years, and the washer was changed twice in the 4 years, but they both still working now. Here's the second bathroom. All right, just how we got it. We had to change the toilet, I think twice while we were here. All changes were at our expense, so yeah. That's the tub. Okay, and then we're gonna go back to the other end of the apartment, Damion and my room. And here's our room. This is the room. This was the bathroom. Just like the other bathroom, just with a bigger tub. This is the tub. I mean, the tub was literally darker than this when we moved in. And we had to scrub and get as much as we could off. And that's what we end up with. This is the bathroom. This is how we're leaving it. Coming out. But yeah, here is the closet, our walk-in closet, which we share it with our kids. It was 3 or 4 of us with the closet. This is the closet. This hole was there when we moved in. That's that. Under, that's the shower head that it came with the apartment. We changed the shower head 4 years ago and put that one on there just as a like temporary fix. My mother them could have not, their shower head wouldn't come off for nothing, so they never changed their shower head. Anyways, guys, that's the apartment that we lived in for 4 years. As you can see, this is the apartment, and these walls, we did not paint these walls. These walls came like this 4 years ago. We left it like this. The lady was like, oh, if you guys want to paint the walls, you can paint it. That's enough. You're not going to use us to paint these walls a proper color. We're going to leave it just like this. In 4 years, the walls have remained the same. Anyways, well, thank you guys for watching our video today and our mini, quick, super duper fast apartment tour as we move out of this apartment. And we'll see you guys at the next house. So stay tuned. We're going to see our new house. Yeah. Bye. Oh, he's white.